Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we're going to talk about part 3 in the Power Lead series, how to get started with the Power Lead system. This is part 3. We're going to go ahead and have a good time today because we did part 1, part 2, now we're in part 3. So you definitely want to pay attention to this entire video. And if you have any questions, of course, you can put them right in the comment line. If this is your first time here at this channel, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button right below this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you get videos and be notified like videos just like this. Now you know what time it is. You know who this is. This is Adam Shelton. And today we're going to talk about part 3 of signing up with the Power Lead series on Power Lead system. This is a series I want to do for you when you first signed up. Now let's recap. Now part 1, we basically talk about just signing into the system. If you're a gold member, you'll go right here. You'll click on the gold member here. But first, you want to go ahead and go click on the easy button. So I'll go back. So you click on the easy button and you want to get started with the 3 simple steps that says right here on this page, literally. So you want to go ahead and watch this video first. I suggest you watch the video first. That way you get acquainted exactly what the Power Lead system does and exactly what steps you need to do and how powerful the system can leverage you each and every single day. And down here, just go ahead and go to those 1, 2, 3 steps there. You follow those steps here. Of course, if you have any questions, you can definitely let me know in the comments, or you can email me directly at adam@adameshelton.com. So you just follow those steps there. That's what we talked about in part 1. And in part 2, we talked about the training. So we talked about the endless free leads training, which would go right there. We talked about the training that you'll do if you are a gold member. Actually, gold member level on above, you'll have access to the endless free leads mobile. And this is brand new from Max Steingart, who is a godfather of social networking in terms of Facebook, LinkedIn, and other social media channels. He is really good and he pretty much put this together. So you'll go ahead and register right here. You'll register here. If you haven't already, you'll register. So by clicking right there, and you'll pretty much put your name and address, your information right in here. And don't worry about paying for anything, because when you're a gold member above, you do not have to pay for the results. So if you click there to register and you click here to log into the system, let me go ahead and log in real quick. Just want to do a recap. You know, if you just, need a recap, finding out what we talked about in number 2, the video number 2. So if you need to, go back and watch it, 1 and 2. Okay, so you'll click there, and right here, it basically shows you exactly how to get into the training in terms of scripts and also, let me go ahead, the scripts for social networking. So it talks about exactly what you need to do, and it's really, really cool. You'll watch this video, it's about 7 minutes long, and it's really cool because it talks about different strategies you need to have when you're talking to prospects, especially on social media. So you'll learn how to set up your Facebook account, your Facebook profile properly. You also learn you'll learn the ripple effect, which is one of my favorites in the whole book, the ripple effect of how to get attention on your social media channel in terms of Facebook and LinkedIn as well. And you'll learn how to talk to people, open-end questions when you're talking to prospects. And you also learn how to communicate with different types of people by following the scripts. But I didn't want to spoil you. I just a couple of things in there that you'll definitely learn about. So that's very, very important in terms of talking to people online. Now we're in part 3. Now part 3, we're going to dive more into the next level. So let me go ahead and go back to get started. So we talked about the gold level. The gold level, you know, you're $53.97 per month. You'll pay that per month being a gold level member. And it's right here. The video is right there that talks about the gold level and how you can leverage with the compensation plan. So pretty much it's a really, really cool deal because it's basically about getting people into the system, let them leverage the system, and yes, you will get paid based on those results. So pretty much if you're a gold member, yes, you can make money online through this system, but I'm going to tell you, the higher the level you are, the more money you are positioned to make. So you can make money through the gold level by bringing people in, but I'm going to talk about the diamond level in part 3, because when you go to diamond level, all of a sudden now you're making even more money. So this is the gold level package in terms of compensation plan. It's a 3-minute long video. Watch this. You'll be more used to what's going on in terms of the compensation plan being a gold member. So let me go to the diamond. Now, diamond, which meaning is called the diamond purchase. So the diamond, it is, I'm going to be upfront with you, it is $147 one-time payment, but when you're a diamond member, you will actually get commission on people you bring into the system if they're a diamond member, if they're a gold member or a diamond member. So that's how, if you're a diamond member, you pay that, but then you get extra training as well. So you'll click on here to be a diamond member. So you'll click there and you go ahead and you become a diamond member. As you see, I'm already a diamond member, platinum, and all in. So it'll be a red screen and you'll go ahead and become green. You want that to be green, all green, definitely as a diamond member. So you'll basically get this. You'll get the free ad secrets in terms of, you know, promoting the Powerly system. Once again, you'll need a login password, which is free. So you'll go ahead and create it here, or if you have a login, you go ahead and click there to log into the system. So free ad secrets is a really, really good training, mainly because it's definitely going to teach you really how to market, and it has all this information in terms of free advertising, unlimited, and a ripple effect. Once again, it's one of my favorite things in the whole entire system. So let me go here, let me go back here. So that's where you go there. Let me go, I'm going to go back to there. So pretty much you'll get this all complete deal. The ripple effect really, really starts in this entire thing. And I'll give you a secret what the ripple effect is. Ripple effect is something, you do something small, and it's almost like, let's say Facebook, right? So the ripple effect, if you change your Facebook profile, you know, picture and change it to a different picture, that's called a ripple effect, because when you change certain things in Facebook, that gets people engagement going. So if you go ahead and change it to a different picture, that's a really nice picture that you're smiling, that gets a ripple effect, which means it brings engagement and attention to that picture, and then you'll go ahead and start communicating. But the $1 million secret to get unlimited free advertising, they'll talk all about that and more when you become a diamond member. I suggest you get this. It's a really, really good training package you get when you're a diamond member. Now let me back up a little bit here. So when you do this, there's a video that you watch in terms of the diamond membership and its own compensation plan, and this is what it talks about.
On our newest and most popular, every single multiplied, just 5 new members would pay you $500 in diamond level commissions. 10 to 20 new members would pay you $1,000.
So check that out. 10 to 20 new members will pay you $1,000 to $2,000. I play a little bit of the video just to show you how powerful the Powerly system is by bringing people in and leveraging the system itself. And of course, the training and the membership. And of course, I'll be your sponsor to help you out in any type of way. So it's really, really powerful. Diamond member, I suggest you do diamond as well. It's all about if you want to really leverage the system, because I'm going to tell you a problem. And I should talk about the problem first. The problem is, I think people don't understand, and I didn't understand, when you get online, you want to be positioned to make money, and you want to be positioned to get the training and the education where you'll be taught and you can show other people the information and the training. So that's the problem. I think people get on there and want to make money so fast, but they don't have the training, the education, and the right system to be able to do that for them. So I suggest focus on the education and being positioned. Like the diamond's a good place to be positioned. I suggest you to go high as you can, but you only go as high as you feel like your budget can. And think about it. You just said here, 50 to 100 new members will pay you an incredible $5,000, $10,000. Incredible as a diamond member. And 25% matching bonus of the pay line commission. So the video really will talk more and more about that. I just want to give you a sneak preview exactly what the diamond does. And of course, it's more into it in terms of the diamond and the gold member. I just want to give you an overview what the diamond does and show you, the capability of it. 50 to 100 new members will pay you an incredible $5,000, $10,000. So that's how powerful this system is. This part 3, we talked about the gold membership. Now we talked about the diamond membership in part 3. In part 4 tomorrow, we're going to talk more about the platinum level, and I'm going to show you a little bit more of some of the capture pages. Tomorrow's episode, I'm going to show you a little bit more about capture pages in terms of collecting information from customers, and we're going to talk about the next level, which will be the platinum member when you get started with the Powerly system. So thank you so much for joining me, and don't forget, underneath this video, there is a link that says recommendation for making money online. You want to click on that link. When you click on that link, you'll go ahead and put your email address the opting into the page. When you go into the page, you want to select what level you want to come in. So the gold level is right here. It's $53.97, the gold level, and it has the diamond level, which we just talked about. That's $147, but you'll see all that information when you go ahead and log in, get your information as well. So if you have any questions, you can definitely let me know in the comment line. Don't forget to click on the link below that says how to make money, recommendation to make money online. There's a link right underneath that phrase. You click there and you get right into the Power Lead system. Now, I'll see you guys tomorrow on part 4 on how to get started with the Power Lead system. Part 4, we're going to talk more about the levels in Power Lead system. We're going to talk more about platinum. We're going to go platinum level and tell you all about the various advantages of the platinum level. Click on the link below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Click on the link below this video that says get started. I can't wait to see you in the next video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow.